We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Choose another color. Try another color. Keep it up. Let's plant the trees in the yard. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Drop side truck. Hooray! You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Keep up the good work.